my channel. For today, we're gonna just be making something really simple. Go ahead and get your saute pan ready on a medium-high heat. We're gonna be browning some of these chicken thighs. This is just 4 thighs right here. You could use breast if you like. And just get some oil down on your pan. We're gonna be browning the skin just to give it a really nice, crispy coating before it gets baked into the oven. I'm gonna go ahead and preheat my oven to 375. Season the chicken with a little salt and pepper. And put your chicken right onto the hot pan with the skin side down. While the skin is frying, you're just gonna take a little bowl and mix together 3 ingredients. The first one is gonna be this onion soup mix. It comes with 2 envelopes, and you're just gonna take one and put it into your bowl. The second ingredient is gonna be some apricot preserves. You're just gonna need about a half a cup full. And last but not least, you're gonna need some French style dressing. If you can't find this, you could use like a Catalina dressing. This kind of smells like Thousand Island without like the little relish pieces inside. So you're gonna need a cup of this guy. Okay, go ahead and mix all of this together. The flavors of these 3 ingredients are just absolutely wonderful. They're sweet and tangy, and it makes for the perfect sauce that everybody just always goes crazy for. But I have to mention, this recipe, it dates back all the way to the 70s. Let's check on the chicken. It's nice and golden brown, so we're just gonna flip them over, turn off the heat, pour all of that sauce over the chicken. And then before I pop this into the oven, I'm just gonna take a little sprig of some thyme and just throw it on there, just so that it could bake into it. I'm gonna pop this into the oven. I had it preheating at 375. And since these are bone-in chicken thighs, this is gonna take around 45 minutes. Of course, if these were chicken breast, it would take around 20 minutes. All right, guys, the 45 minutes is up. Let's take a look. Oh my gosh, this chicken is incredible. Look at that. Now for the best part, we're gonna try some. You gotta serve this with rice because it just sucks up all of the sauce. It's so delicious. Oh my gosh, it's just like falling off the bone. Look, ooh, so tender and juicy. The skin, it almost created like some kind of barrier where it like steamed the chicken while it was cooking. Here we go, taste test time. This sauce is hands down one of the best flavor combos I've ever tried in my life. Damn! Now I see why this recipe has been around since the 70s. It's unbelievable. You'd think that this would be sweet from, you know, the apricot preserves, but it's not at all. This is like hands down one of the best quick dinner recipes out there. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, you have to give this video a big thumbs up. Leave your comments down below if you tried it out. And as usual, stay tuned for more quick and easy recipes, all of them always with a unique twist.